Hello students, welcome to Consumer Electronics class. We are going to discuss about the communication systems, but still there are some more items pending. We'll see all such things in this part 2. In this session, we are going to see about the video conferencing equipments, IP camera, video security things, and IoT, Wi-Fi, Li-Fi, and GPS and GPS tracking units. So we are going to see all such topics today. Let's start with the video conferencing. See, video telephony, sometimes also referred to as video teleconference or video conferencing. So video telephony or video conferencing comprises the technologies for the reception and the transmission of audio and video signals by users in different locations for communication between people in real time. The video phone is a telephone with a video display capable of simultaneous video and audio for communication between people in real time. Video conferencing implies the use of this technology for a group or organizational meeting rather than for individuals in a video conference. So telepresence may refer either a high quality telephony system where the goal is to create the illusion that remote participants are in the same room. That's called telepresence. Or to meet a technology which goes beyond video into robotics, such as moving around the room or physically manipulating objects. Video conferencing has also been called visual collaboration and is a type of groupware. While development of video conferencing started in the late 19th century, the technology only became available to the public starting in 1930s. These early demonstrations were installed at booths in post offices and shown at various world expositions. It took until 1970 for AT&T company to launch the first true video conferencing system, wherein anyone could subscribe to the service and have the technology in their home or office. Video telephony also included image phones, which would exchange still images between units every few seconds over a conventional plain old telephone system that's called POT lines, especially the same as slow scan TV. The development of advanced video codecs, more powerful CPUs, and high bandwidth internet telecommunication services in the late 1990s, these technologies allowed the video phones to provide high quality, low cost color service between users almost any place in the world where the internet is available. Although not as widely used in everyday communications as audio only and text communication, useful applications include sign language transmission for deaf and speech impaired people, distance education, telemedicine, and overcoming mobility services or mobility issues. It is also used in commercial and corporate settings to facilitate meetings and conferences, typically between parties that already have established relationship. News media organizations have begun to use desktop technologies like Skype to provide high quality audio than the cellular mobile network, and video links at much lower cost than sending professional equipment or using a professional studio. More popular video telephony technologies use the internet rather than the traditional landline phone network. Even though modern telephone networks or phone networks use digital packet protocols, and video telephony software commonly runs on smartphones over digital radio telephony networks. Let us see the technology, the components and types. The core technology used in video telephony system is a digital compression of audio and video streams in real time. The hardware or software that performs compression is called a codec, coder and decoder. Compression rates up to of 1:500 can be achieved. 1:500 can be achieved. The resulting digital stream is of ones and zeros. That stream is subdivided into labeled packets, which are then transmitted through a digital network of some kind, maybe ISDN or IP. The other components required for a video conferencing include video input. You can use a PTZ camera or 360-degree camera or fisheye camera or a webcam. That's video input. Another one is a video output. Monitor, computer monitor, television, projector can be used. Another one is audio input through microphones or CD video, DVD players, cassette players, any other source of preamp audio outlet. And audio output, usually loudspeakers associated with the display device or telephone. And data transfer, and maybe analog or digital telephone network, LAN or internet kind of thing, and a computer, a data processing unit that ties together the other components, does the compression and decompression, and initiates and maintains the data linkage via the network. So there are basically three kinds of video conferencing or video phone systems. The first one is a dedicated system. The second one is desktop system. Third one is WebRTC. So first one, dedicated systems have all required components packaged into a single piece of equipment. Usually a console with a high quality remote control video camera. These cameras can be controlled at a distance to pan left and right, tilt up and down, and zoom. So that's why it's called PTZ. P for panning, T for tilt, and Z for zooming. So they became known as PTZ cameras. The console contains all electrical interfaces, the computer to control, that's called control computer, and the software and hardware based codecs. So the console will have all electrical interfaces, control computer, and codec. Omnidirectional microphones are connected to the console as well as a TV monitor with the loudspeakers or a video projector. There are several types of dedicated video conferencing devices. Maybe for a large group video conferencing or built-in large expensive devices used for large rooms such as conference rooms or auditoriums. Small group video conferencing facilities are built these are all either non-portable or portable, maybe smaller, less expensive devices used for small meeting rooms. Last one is the individual. Individual video conferencing are usually portable devices meant for single users and have a fixed cameras, microphones, and loudspeakers integrated into the console. This is called dedicated system. The second one is a desktop system. The desktop systems are add-ons, hardware boards or software codec to normal personal computers and laptops, transforming them into a video conferencing devices. A range of different cameras and microphones can be used with a codec, which contains the necessary codec and transmission interfaces. Most of the desktop systems work with the H323 standard, H323 standard. Third one is a WebRTC. So WebRTC performs very good nowadays. The WebRTC platform, use a web browser instead of a dedicated native application software. Solutions such as Adobe Connect and Cisco WebEx can be accessed using a URL sent by the meeting organizer, and various degrees of security can be attached to the virtual room. So, in that virtual room, often the user must download and install a browser extension to enable access to the local camera and a microphone and establish a connection to the meeting. But WebRTC doesn't require any special software. Instead, a WebRTC compliant internet browser itself provides the facilities for a one-to-one or one-to-many video conferencing calls. Several enhancements to the WebRTC are provided by independent vendors. Next one is the video conferencing modes. So what are the different modes? Video conferencing systems use two methods to determine which video feed or feeds to display. The continuous presence simply displays all participants at the same time. Usually, the exception that the viewer either does not see their own feed or sees their own feed in miniature. That's a continuous presence. Another one is voice activated switch that selectively chooses a feed to display at each endpoint with the goal of showing the person who is currently speaking. This is done by choosing the feed which has the loudest audio input, perhaps with some filtering to avoid switching for a very short-lived volume spikes. Often, if no remote parties are currently speaking, the feed with the last speaker remains on the screen. Next one is an IP camera. It's a internet protocol camera. An IP camera is a type of digital video camera that receives control data and sends image data via an IP network. They are commonly used for surveillance, and they are not like analog closed circuit television. They are not like that. No, it's not like CCTV cameras. They require no local recording device, only a local area network. Most IP cameras are webcams, but the term IP camera or a netcam usually applies only to those that can be directly accessed over a network connection, usually used for surveillance. Some IP cameras require support of a central network video recorder. It's called NVR to handle the net recording, to handle the video, and to handle the alarm management. Others are able to operate in a decentralized manner with no NVR needed. As the camera is able to record directly to any local or remote storage media, there is no need of NVR. The first IP camera was invented by Axis Communications in 1996. That's called the Axis Net-I 200. Let's see about the standards in IP camera. The previous generations of analog CCTV cameras established broadcast television formats. For example, CIF format, NTSC format, PAL, and CCAM. Since 2000, there has been a shift in consumer TV business towards high definition resolutions. It's called HD. Example, 1080p, it's called Full HD. 4K resolution, it's called Ultra HD. And 16:9 widescreen format. IP cameras may differ from one another in resolution, features, video encoding schemes, available network protocols, and the API for video management software. IP cameras are available at resolutions from 0.3 to 29 megapixels. 0.3 megapixels to 29 megapixels. To address IP video surveillance standardization issues, there are two industry groups formed in 2008. One is the Open Network Video Interface Forum, that's called ONVIF, and the Physical Security Interoperability Alliance, that's called PSIA. The PSIA was founded by 20 member companies, including Honeywell, GE Security, and Cisco. ONVIF was founded by Axis Communications, Bosch, and Sony. So all these three companies started ONVIF. Each group now has numerous additional members. So thus cameras and recording hardware that operate under the same standard can work with each other. ONVIF is the latest technology. IP camera types. Indoor cameras are widely used both residentially and commercially. Depending on their functionality, they are classified as a fixed camera or a pan tilt zoom camera. It's called PTZ camera. Fixed cameras are generally used to monitor a set of areas, whereas the PTZ camera can be used to either track motion or manually adjust the monitoring area. Outdoor wired cameras, also known as AC powered cameras, are placed in outdoor environments. They are designed to survive weather conditions such as heat, cold, rain, and they are generally capable of capturing video in low light conditions. They are often rated IP65 or IP67 standards to withstand the outdoor environment. Wired, that's called AC powered, or wired free cameras for homes are all IP cameras that have their own independent power source such as solar panel or battery. Now, cloud and local storage. Now, some camera manufacturers offer cloud subscriptions where users may remotely view and download recent video clips by paying recurring subscription fees. Cloud subscription plans typically come with several days of looping storage, and the videos will be overwritten beyond this duration. Some cameras include a micro SD card slot, so users may store videos locally. But there is no looping if the memory card has sufficient space to store the images. However, locally stored video footage cannot be accessed remotely. So what are the potential benefits? The previous generation cameras transmitted analog video signals. IP cameras send images digitally using the transmission and security features of TCP/IP protocol. So advantages to this approach, what is that? Two-way audio via a single network cable allows users to listen to and speak to the subject of the video. Maybe an example is a clerk assisting a customer through a step-by-step instructions. That's an example. Next advantage is use of a Wi-Fi, that's a wireless network. Next advantage is distributed artificial intelligence, that's called DAI. As a camera can contain video analytics that analyze images. Next advantage is secure data transmission through encryption and authentication methods such as WPA or WPA2 or TKIP or AES. Remote accessibility is another advantage. Remote accessibility that lets user view the live video from any device with sufficient access privileges. And next one is power over Ethernet. It's called PoE, to supply power through the Ethernet cable and operate with the operate without a dedicated power supply. Next advantage is better image resolution, typically 4 times the resolution of an analog camera. Now let's see about video security. Surveillance is a monitoring of behavior, many activities, or information for the purpose of information gathering, influencing, managing, or directing. This can include observations from a distance by means of electronic equipment, such as a closed circuit TV, or a interception of electronically transmitted information like internet traffic. It can also include simple technical methods such as human intelligence gathering and postal interception. Surveillance is used by governments for intelligence gathering, preventions of crime, the protection of a process, person, group, or object, or investigation of crime. It is also used by criminal organizations to plan and commit crimes, and by businesses to gather intelligence on criminals and their competitors, suppliers, or customers. Religious organizations charged with detecting heresy and heterodoxy may carry out surveillance. Auditors carry out a form of surveillance. Surveillance can be used by governments to unjustifiably violate people's privacy and is often criticized by civil liberties activists. Liberal democracies may have laws that seek to restrict governmental and private use of surveillance, whereas authoritarian governments seldom have any domestic restrictions. International espionage seems to be common among all types of countries. So what are the methods? Now first one is a computer method, and second one is a telephone, third one is cameras, fourth one is social network analysis, fifth one is biometric, sixth one is aerial, seventh one is corporate, eighth one is data mining and profiling, ninth one is satellite imagery. So let's see the first one. The vast majority of computer surveillance involves the monitoring of data and traffic on the internet. Second one is telephones. The human agents are not required to monitor most calls. Speech to text software creates machine readable text from intercepted audio, which is then processed by automated call analysis programs, such as those developed by agencies such as the Information Awareness Office, or companies such as Verint or Narus, which search for certain words or phrases to decide whether to dedicate a human agent to the call. It's called telephone. Third one is cameras. Surveillance cameras or video cameras used for the purpose of observing an area. They are often connected to a recording device or IP network and may be watched by a security guard or a law enforcement officer. Cameras and recording equipments used to be relatively expensive and required human personnel to monitor camera footage, but analysis of footage has been made easier by automated software that organizes the digital video footage into a searchable database, and by video analysis software, maybe Virat and Human ID. These are the softwares. These softwares can find out easily. It can search. The amount of footage is also drastically reduced by motion sensors, which record only when motion is detected. With the cheaper production techniques, surveillance cameras are simple and inexpensive enough to be used in home security systems and for everyday surveillance. Fourth point is social network analysis. One common form of surveillance is to create maps of social networks based on data from social networking sites such as Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, as well as from traffic analysis information from phone call records, such as those in NSA calls database and others. These social network maps are then data mined to extract useful information such as personal interest, friendships and affiliations, wants, beliefs, thoughts, and activities. Fifth one is biometric. Biometric surveillance is a technology that measures and analyzes human physical or behavioral characteristics for authentication, identification, or screening purposes. Examples of physical characteristics include fingerprints, DNA, and facial patterns. Examples of mostly behavioral characteristics include a gait, GAIT, or voice. The sixth one is aerial. Aerial surveillance is a gathering of surveillance, usually visual imagery of video, maybe image or maybe video, from a airborne vehicle, such as an unmanned aerial vehicle or a helicopter or a spy plane. Military surveillance aircraft use a range of sensors to monitor the battlefield. Seventh one is a corporate. The corporate surveillance is the monitoring of a person or group's behavior by a corporation. The data collected is most often used for marketing purposes. Sometimes it may be sold to other corporations, but is also regularly shared with the government agencies. It can be used as a form of business intelligence, which enables the corporation to better tailor their product or services to be desirable by their customers. Although there is a common belief that monitoring can increase productivity, it can also create consequences such as increasing chances of deviant behavior and creating punishments that are not equitable to their actions. Additionally, monitoring can cause resistance and backlash because it insinuates an employer's suspicion and lack of interest or trust. Eighth one, data mining and profiling. Data mining is an application of statistical techniques and programmatic algorithms to discover previously unnoticed relationship within the data. That's called data mining. Data profiling in this context is the process of assembling information about a particular individual or a group in order to generate a profile, that is a picture of their patterns and behavior. Data profiling can be extremely powerful tool for psychological and social network analysis. A skilled analyst can discover facts about a person that they may not even be consciously aware of themselves. Ninth one is a satellite imagery. On May 25th, 2007, the US Director of National Intelligence, Mr. Michael McConnell, authorized the National Applications Office, NAO, of the Department of Homeland Security to allow local, state, and domestic federal agencies to access imagery from satellite imagery, military intelligence reconnaissance satellites and reconnaissance aircraft sensors, which can now be used as to observe the activities of US citizens. He has given permission. The satellites and aircraft sensors will be able to penetrate cloud cover and can detect the chemical traces and identify objects in buildings and even underground bunkers. And it will provide real-time video at a much higher resolution than the still images produced by programs such as Google Earth. Now let's see about Internet of Things, that's called IoT. IoT describes physical objects or groups of such objects that are embedded with the sensors, processing ability, software, and other technologies that are embedded with those technologies. It will describe about the physical objects and that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the internet or the other communication networks. IoT describes about the physical objects and how it connects and exchanges the data. Okay. This field has evolved due to the convergence of multiple technologies, including ubiquitous computing, commodity sensors, increasingly powerful embedded systems, and machine learning. Traditional fields of embedded systems, wireless sensor networks, control systems, automation, independently and collectively enable the IoTs. So it is used, including home and building automation. In the consumer market, the IoT technology is most synonymous with the products pertaining to the concept of smart home, including devices and applications or appliances such as lighting fixtures, thermostats, home security systems, cameras, and other home appliances. So these devices and appliances support one or more common ecosystems, and it can be controlled or they can be controlled via devices associated with the same system, maybe through smartphone or smart speakers. The IoT can also be used in a healthcare systems. There are a number of concerns about the risks in the growth of IoT technologies and products, especially in the areas of privacy and security, and consequently industry and government moves to address these concerns have begun, including the development of international and local standards, guidelines, and regulatory frameworks. So what are the applications? There are many applications. The first one is a consumer applications, smart home, elder care kind of thing. Organizational applications are medical and healthcare, transportation, V2X communications, and building and home automation. So those are all organizational. Industrial applications are like manufacturing, agriculture, maritime. Fourth one is the infrastructure and applications. Infrastructure applications like metropolitan scale deployments, energy management, environmental monitoring. Fifth application is the military applications. Internet of battlefield things, ocean of things. The sixth one is a product digitalization. So we'll see the architecture. IoT system architecture in its simplistic view consists of 3 tiers. Tier 1 is a device, Tier 2 is the edge gateway, and Tier 3 is a cloud. Devices include networked things such as sensors and actuators found in the IoT environment, particularly those that use protocols such as Modbus, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and proprietary protocols to connect to an edge gateway. So next one is the edge gateway layer. That is, this consists of sensor data aggregation systems called edge gateways that provide functionality such as pre-processing the data, securing connectivity to the cloud, using systems such as WebSockets, the Event Hub, and even in some cases, edge analytics or fog computing. Edge gateway layer is also required to give a common view of devices to the upper layers to facilitate in easier management. The final tier includes the cloud application built for IoT using the microservices architecture, which are usually polyglot and inherently secure in nature using HTTPS or OAuth. It includes various database systems that store sensor data, such as time series databases or asset stores using backend data storage systems. That's called Cassandra, PostgreSQL, that kind of thing. The cloud tier is available in most cloud-based IoT system. It has got some features, event queuing and messaging system that handle communication that transpires in all tiers. Some experts classified the 3 tiers into IoT system as edge, platform and enterprise. And these are connected by proximity network, access network and service network respectively. Building on the Internet of Things, the Web of Things is an architecture for the application layer of the Internet of Things, looking at the convergence of data from IoT devices into web applications to create innovative use cases. In order to program and control the flow of information in the Internet of Things, a predicted architectural direction is being called BPM everywhere, which is a blending of old traditional process management with the process mining and special capabilities to automate the control of large numbers of coordinated devices. So we'll see the architecture. Let us see about IoT system architecture. Wi-Fi in its simplistic view is a family of wireless network protocols tiers based on Tier 1 is the IEEE standard 802.11. Tier 2 is the edge gateway, and which are Tier 3 is commonly used for local area devices. Include network things access, such as allowing nearby digital devices actuators to exchange data found in the IoT environment. Particularly, these are the most widely used protocols such as Modbus, Bluetooth, used globally in home and proprietary protocols, small office networks to connect to link to desktops and laptop computers. So next one is the edge gateway layer, that is smartphones. This consists of sensor data aggregation smart speakers together called edge gateways and to a wireless that provide functionality to connect them to pre-processing the data internet, securing connectivity and in a wireless access points in public using systems like such as WebSockets, hotels, libraries, event hub and airports to provide the public edge analytics or fog computing. For a mobile edge gateway layer is also required. Wi-Fi is a trademark of a non-profit Wi-Fi alliance to the upper which restricts the use of the facilitate term Wi-Fi easier management certified to products. The final tier includes the cloud application built for IoT certification using the microservices architecture. As of 2017, usually polyglot, the Wi-Fi alliance and inherently more than 800 secure in nature using HTTPS from around the world. Or OAuth. As of 2019, it includes various database systems. Billion Wi-Fi enabled devices are shipped globally, such as time series databases or asset stores. Wi-Fi uses using multiple data storage systems. IEEE Cassandra protocol family. PostgreSQL designed kind of thing to the cloud tier is seamlessly with its wired is available in most cloud-based IoT system. Compatible devices can network it has got some features to each other, event queuing and messaging as well as system to wired devices and internet that handle communication. The different versions of Wi-Fi in all tiers are specified by some experts classified the 3 tiers into IoT system as with the different radio technologies determining and these are connected by proximity and network, maximum ranges, access network and service network respectively. Wi-Fi building on the Internet of Things commonly uses the Web of Things is an architecture for the application layer of the Internet of 5 GHz SHF, looking at the convergence of data from IoT devices. These bands are web applications into create innovative use cases. The channels can be shared in order to program and control the flow of information. One transmitter can locally transmit on a channel. A predicted architectural direction is being called Wi-Fi is the wave bands have relatively high absorption everywhere, and which is a blending of line of old traditional process management such as walls, with the process mining and special capabilities to automate the control of large numbers. This also helps minimize interference. So we'll see the architecture. IoT system architecture in its simplistic view, an access point that's called hotspot
tiers.
Often
Tier 1 is
a
a
range
device.
of about 20
Tier
meters
2 is
indoors.
the edge
While
gateway.
some modern
and
access
Tier
points
3 is a
claim up
cloud.
to 150-meter range.
Devices
outdoors.
include network
Hotspot coverage can be
such
as
as
small
sensors
as a
and
single room with walls
actuators
that block radio waves,
found in the IoT
or
environment.
as
That
large as
particularly
many square kilometers.
Those that use
using
protocols
many
such as
overlapping
Modbus,
access points
Bluetooth,
with the roaming
Zigbee,
permitted
and
between
proprietary protocols
Over
to connect
time,
to an
the
edge
speed and
gateway.
spectral efficiency of Wi-Fi.
So next
have
one is the
increased.
edge gateway layer. That is
As of 2019,
this consists of sensor data
closed
aggregation
range.
systems
Some versions
called
of
edge
Wi-Fi
gateways
running on
that
suitable
provide
hardware
functionality
can
such as
achieve a speed of
pre-processing the data,
9.6 gigabits
securing
per second.
connectivity to the cloud,
So what are
using
the
systems such
etymology
as
and
WebSockets,
terminology in this Wi-Fi. The
the
name
event
Wi-Fi
hub, and even in some
commercially
cases,
used
edge analytics
at
or
least
fog
as early
computing.
as August
Edge
1999
gateway layer is also
was
required
coined by
to
the
give a
brand
common view
consulting
of
firm
devices
Interbrand.
to the upper layers
The Wi-Fi
to facilitate
Alliance
in easier management.
has hired Interbrand
The final tier
to create a
includes the
name
cloud
that was a
application
little
built for
catchier
IoT
than the IEEE
using the
802.11b
microservices architecture,
direct
which are
sequence.
usually polyglot,
Phil Belanger,
inherently
the founder member of
secure in
Wi-Fi
nature
Alliance,
using
has
HTTPS
stated that
or
the term
OAuth.
Wi-Fi was chosen from
It
a
includes
list of
various database
10
systems
potential names
that store sensor
invented by
data,
Interbrand.
such as time series
The
databases.
name
or
Wi-Fi has
asset
no
stores
further meaning.
using backend data
It
storage
was never
systems
officially
called
a shortened
Cassandra,
form of wireless fidelity.
PostgreSQL, that kind of thing.
Nevertheless, the
The
Wi-Fi
cloud
Alliance
tier is
used the advertising slogan
is available
standard
in
for
most
wireless
cloud-based
fidelity
IoT system.
for a short time after the brand name was
It
created.
has got some features.
And the Wi-Fi Alliance was
Event
called
queuing
as
and messaging system
Wireless Fidelity Alliance
that handled communication
in some
that
publications.
transpires in all tiers.
The name is often written as
Some
Wi-Fi,
experts classified the three tiers into
in
IoT
the
Wi-Fi,
system as
W
edge
capital, F
platform
capital,
enterprise.
Sometimes
W
and these are
capital F
connected
small
by
letter.
proximity network.
Sometimes both are small
access
letters,
network,
but
and
all
service
these are
network,
not approved by
respectively.
Wi-Fi Alliance. IEEE
Building
is
on
a
the
separate
Internet of
but
Things,
related
the Web of Things is an
organization,
architecture
and
for
their
the
website
application
has
layer
stated
of the Internet of
Wi-Fi,
Things. Looking at the convergence of
W is
data
capital,
from
F
IoT
is capital,
devices
I are small letter.
into web
Is a
applications
short name
to
for
create
wireless
innovative
fidelity
use cases. In order to program, and
Interbrand
control
also created
the
the
flow of
Wi-Fi
information in the Internet of Things,
Yin Yang
a
Wi-Fi
predicted
logo
architectural
indicates
direction
the
is
certification
being
of a
called
product for interoperability.
BPM everywhere.
Non-Wi-Fi
BPM everywhere,
technologies intended
which is
for
a blending
fixed
of
points, such as Motorola
old
Canafi,
traditional
are usually
process
described
management
as fixed wireless.
with the process mining.
Alternatively,
Special
wireless
capabilities
technologies
to
include
automate the control
mobile
of
phone standards,
large
such as
numbers of
2G,
coordinated
3G,
devices.
4G, 5G.
So
and
we see the
LTE.
architecture. See, IoT system
To connect to a
architecture
Wi-Fi
with
LAN,
simplistic view.
A computer must be
consists
equipped
of,
with a
three
wireless
tiers.
network interface
Tier 1 is a
controller.
device.
The
Tier 2
combination
is
of a computer
the edge gateway,
and an interface
and
controller
Tier 3 is a cloud.
is called a station.
Devices include
Stations are identified by
network
one or
things,
more MAC addresses.
such as sensors and
Wi-Fi
actuators
nodes often operate
found in the IoT
infrastructure
environment,
mode,
where
where
particularly
all
those that
communications
use
go to a
protocols such
base
as
station.
Modbus, Bluetooth,
Ad hoc
Zigbee,
mode
and
refers to a
proprietary
devices
protocols
talking directly
to
to
connect
each other
to an edge
without
gateway.
the need to
So
first
next one is
talk
the edge gateway
to an
layer.
access point.
That is, this
A
consists
service
of
set
sensor data
is a
aggregation
set of
systems
all the devices
called edge
associated with a
gateways
particular Wi-Fi network.
that provide functionality such
Devices
as
in a
pre-processing the
service
data,
set need not
securing
be on the
connectivity
same
to the
wavelengths
cloud,
or channels.
using systems such as
A
WebSockets,
service set
the
can be local,
event hub, and even
independent,
in some cases
extended,
edge analytics
or a
or
mesh,
fog
or a
computing.
combination.
Edge gateway
Each
layer
service
is
set
also required
has an
to
associated
give a
identifier.
common view of devices
32-byte
to the
service
upper
set
layers
identifier
to
SSID,
facilitate in easier management.
which identifies the
The
particular
final
network.
tier includes the cloud
The
application
SSID is
built for
configured
IoT
within the devices
using the
that are
microservices
considered
architecture,
part of the network.
which are usually polyglot
The base
and inherently
service set, that's
secure
called, or
in
sometimes it's
nature
called as
using
basic
HTTPS
service set,
or OAuth.
is a group of stations that
It
are,
includes various
that
database
that
systems
all share the same wireless
that store
channel
sensor
SSID
data
and other
such
wireless
as time
settings
series databases
that have
or asset stores
wirelessly
using backend
connected.
data storage
Usually
systems.
the
It's
same
called
access
Cassandra.
Each
PostgreSQL
BSS is identified by a MAC address, which
the
is
cloud
called
tier is
BSSID.
is available in the most cloud-based IoT system.
It
has got some
features.
Wi-Fi. So
Event
in
queuing
internet
and messaging
Wi-Fi
system
technology may be used to
that
provide
handle
local
communication
that
and
transfers
internet
access
access
to
in
the
all
devices
tiers.
that are within Wi-Fi
Some
range
experts classified
of one
the
or
three
more
tiers into IoT
routers that
system
are connected
as
to the
edge
internet
platform and enterprise.
The coverage of
And these are connected
one
by
or more
proximity
interconnected access
network,
points
access network
can
and
extend from
service
one
network
area
respectively.
as small as few rooms to a
Building on
large
the Internet of Things,
as large as many square
the Web of
kilometers
Things
or
is an
miles.
architecture for the application layer.
Coverage in a larger
Internet
area
of Things
may require a
looking
group
at the
of access
convergence
points
of
with
data from
overlapping
IoT
coverage.
devices into
For example,
web applications.
public
to create
outdoor Wi-Fi
innovative
technology
use cases
has been used successfully
in order to program
in wireless
and mesh
control
networks in
the
London.
flow of information. An
In the
international
Internet of
example
Things,
is
a
FON,
predicted
for
architectural direction is being
Wi-Fi
called
provides services in
BPM,
private homes
everywhere,
businesses,
BPM
as well as in
everywhere,
public spaces,
which is a blending of
Wi-Fi hotspots
transi-
may be set up
old
either free of
traditional
charge
process
or
management
commercially,
with the
often
process
using a
mining
captive
and special
portal web
capabilities
page for
to
access.
automate the control of large
Organizations,
numbers of coordinated devices.
enthusiasts,
authorities,
see the
and
architecture.
business. IoT system
Such as,
architecture in its
airports,
simplistic
hotels,
view
restaurants
consists of three
often provide
tiers.
free service
Tier
or
1
paid
is a
use of
device.
hotspot
Tier
to
2
attract
is
the customers,
the edge
to
gateway,
provide
and,
services to
tier 3
promote
is the
business
cloud in selected areas.
Devices include
Routers, network
often
things,
incorporate a
such
digital
as
subscriber
sensors and
line modem
or a
actuators
cable modem found in the
and a
IoT
Wi-Fi
environment.
access point
That particularly
are frequently
those that
set up
use
in
protocols
protocols and
such
other
as,
buildings to
Modbus,
provide internet
Bluetooth,
access
Zigbee,
and internet
and
working for the
proprietary
structure.
protocols
To connect,
to an
similarly,
edge gateway.
battery-powered
So,
routers
next one is the edge
may
gateway
include
layer.
a cellular
That is,
internet radio
This
modem
consists of
and a
sensor
Wi-Fi
data
access
aggregation
point
systems called
and
edge
subscribe to a
gateways
cellular data carrier
that provide
they
functionality
allow nearby
such
Wi-Fi
as
stations
pre-processing the data
to access the internet,
securing
over
2G
connectivity
or
to the
3G
cloud
or 4G networks
using systems such as
using a
WebSockets.
tethering technique. The event
Many
hub,
smartphones
and even
have
in
a
some
built-in
cases,
capability
edge
of this
analytics
sort,
or fog computing,
including those based on Android.
edge
BlackBerry,
gateway layer is
but,
also required
iOS,
to give a common
Windows
view of
Phone,
devices
Symbian,
to
though
the
carriers
upper
are
layers
often
to
facilitate
facilitate
the
easier
feature.
management or change a separate fee to
The
enable
final
it,
tier includes
especially
the
for
cloud
customers
application
with unlimited
built for
data plans.
IoT.
using the microservices
Internet
architecture,
packs
which are
provide
usually
standalone
polyglot
facilities of this type
and
as well,
inherently
without the use of
secure in
smartphone.
nature using HTTPS.
Examples include the
or
MiFi
OAuth
or a Vibro. It
branded
includes
devices.
various database systems. Some laptops that have a
that store
cellular
sensor
modem
data,
card can also
such as
act
time
as a
series
modern
databases or
mobile
asset stores
internet
using
Wi-Fi access
backend data
points.
storage systems. That's called Cassandra.
Many traditional university campuses in the
PostgreSQL,
developed world
kind of thing.
provide at least
The cloud
partial
tier
Wi-Fi
is
coverage. Carnegie
is available
Mellon
in
University
most cloud-based IoT
built the
system.
first campus-wide wireless
it
internet
has got some
network called
features,
wireless Andrew
event queuing and
at its
messaging system
Pittsburgh campus in
that
1993
handled communication
before Wi-Fi
transfers
branded
in
originated.
all tiers.
By
Some
February
experts
1997,
classified the three
the
tiers into
CMU
IoT
Wi-Fi
system
zone
as edge
was
platform
fully
and
operational.
enterprise. And these are connected
Many
by
universities
proximity
collaborative
network,
in providing
access
Wi-Fi
network,
access
and
to
service
students
network
and staff
respectively.
through the EduRoam International
Building on the
Authentication
Internet of
Infrastructure.
Things. The Web of Things
So
is an
that's a
architecture
first
for the application
internet
layer.
use. Next one is
of
the
the Internet of
city-wide.
Things.
Looking
In
at
the
the early
convergence of
2000s,
data
many
from
cities
IoT
around the
devices
world announced
into
plans
web applications
to construct
create
city-wide
innovative
Wi-Fi
use
networks.
cases.
They are
In order to
mainly
program
and control
focusing
the flow
on
of information,
giving the
Internet
Internet of
facility.
Things.
There are many
predicted
successful
architectural
examples. In
directions
2004,
being called
Mysore
BPM,
became India's first
everywhere,
Wi-Fi enabled
BPM
city.
everywhere.
A
Which is
company
a
called
blending
Wi-Fi
of
Net,
old
traditional
YNET
process management
that
that
has
has
set
set
up
up
hotspots in
and
Mysore,
special
covering the
capabilities to
whole city
automate
and
the
a few
control
nearby
of
villages.
large numbers of coordinated devices.
In 2005,
So we'll see the
cloud
architecture. Florida,
IoT system
and Sunnyvale,
architecture in a
California,
simplistic view
became the first
consists of,
cities
three
in the United
tiers.
States to offer
Tier 1 is a
citywide
device.
free Wi-Fi.
Tier
Tier
2
2
is
is
the edge gateway.
Minneapolis
and,
has
tier 3 is
generated
a cloud.
$1.2 million in profit
Devices
annually
include
for its
network
provider.
things such
In
as
May
sensors and
2010,
actuators
then
found in the IoT environment.
old London mayor
particularly
Boris Johnson
Those that use protocols
pledged to
such
have
as
London
Modbus,
Bluetooth
Wi-Fi by
Zigbee,
2012 and proprietary protocols
several boroughs
to connect
including
to an edge
Westminster and
So next one is the
in
edge gateway layer.
Islington
That is,
already
this
had
consists of
extensive
sensor
outdoor
data
Wi-Fi
aggregation
coverage at that
systems
point.
called edge gateways.
New York
that
City
provide
announced a
functionality
citywide
such as
campaign
pre-processing the data
to convert old
securing
phone booths into
connectivity to the
digitized
cloud
kiosks
using
in
systems such as
2014.
WebSockets.
The project
The
titled
Event Hub
Link NYC
even in some cases
has created
edge
a network
analytics
of
or
kiosks
fog computing
which serves as public
Edge
Wi-Fi
gateway
hotspots.
layer is also
High definition
required
screens and
to
landlines.
give a common view of devices
Installation of the
to the
screen
upper layers
began
to
in
facilitate
late
in easier
late
management.
2015. The final
The
tier,
city
includes
government
the cloud
plans to
application
implement
more than
built for
7,000
IoT
kiosks over
using
time,
the microservices
eventually
architecture,
making Link,
which are usually
NYC
polyglot
the largest and
and
fastest
inherently
public
secure
government
in
operated
nature using
Wi-Fi
HTTPS
network in the world.
or OAuth.
The UK has planned a
It
similar
includes
project
various
major
database systems
across the major cities of the
that store
country,
sensor data
with the project first
such as time
implementation in
series
the
databases
Camden
or asset
Borough
stores
of London.
using backend data storage systems. That's called
Officials in
Cassandra,
South Korea's capital
PostgreSQL
are moving
kind of thing.
to provide
The cloud
free
tier
internet access
is
at more than
in-
10,000 locations
is available
around the
in
city,
most cloud-based
including
IoT system.
outdoor public spaces, major
It has
streets,
got some
and
features,
densely populated
event
residential
queuing
areas.
and messaging system
Seoul will grant
that handle
leases
communication
to KT, LG
that
Telecom,
transfers
and
in
SK
all
Telecom.
tiers.
The companies
Some
will
experts
invest
classified
$44
the
million
three tiers
in the
into
project,
IoT
which will
system
be
as edge platform and enterprise.
which was to be completed in
And these are
2015.
connected by proximity network.
Next one is the
access
geolocation
network and service network.
Wi-Fi
respectively.
positioning systems uses the
Position of
building
Wi-Fi
on the
hotspots
Internet of Things
to identify a
The Web of
device's
Things is an
location.
architecture for the application
Next
layer
uses motion
of the
detection.
Internet of Things.
Wi-Fi sensing
Looking at the
is
convergence
used
of
as
data
application
from IoT devices
such as motion
into web
detection
applications
and
to
gesture
create innovative
recognition.
use cases. In order to
Let's
program
see about
and control
Li-Fi.
the flow of information in the Internet
Li-Fi
of Things,
is
a predicted
sometimes it is
architectural
written as
direction is
LIFI.
being called
Normally it is written as Li-Fi.
everywhere,
Sometimes they will say
BPM
LIFI.
everywhere,
It's
which
a
is
a
a
wireless
blending of
communication technology which utilizes
old
the light
traditional
to
process
transmit the
management
data and
with the process
position
mining
between the devices.
and special capabilities
The
to
term
automate the control of
was
large
first
numbers
introduced
of
by
coordinated devices.
Harold Haas. H-A-R-A-L-D.
So we'll see the architecture.
HAAS.
IoT system architecture
Person
in its
name.
simplistic view
Harold Haas.
consists of
During
three
2011
tiers.
TED Talk,
Tier
TED
1
Global
is a
Talk
device.
in Edinburgh.
Tier 2
He
is
introduced Li-Fi.
the edge gateway.
In technical
and,
terms,
tier 3
Li-Fi
is
is
a
a
cloud.
light communication system that
Devices
is capable
include
of transmitting
network
data
things
at a higher
such
speed
as sensors
over
and
visible light,
actuators
over ultraviolet,
found in the
infrared
IoT
spectrum.
environment.
In
Well,
its present
particularly
state, only
those that
LED
use
lamps
protocols
can be
such
used
as
for the
Modbus,
transmission of
Bluetooth,
data in visible
Zigbee,
light.
and proprietary protocols.
In terms of
to
its
connect
end
to
use,
an
the
edge
technology
gateway.
is similar to Wi-Fi.
So
The
next one is the
key
edge gateway.
technical
layer.
difference
That is,
being that
this
Wi-Fi
consists
uses
of
radio
sensor data
frequency to
aggregation
induce a
systems
voltage in an
called
antenna
edge
to
gateways
transmit the data.
that provide
Whereas Li-Fi
functionality
uses the
such as
modulation of light
pre-processing the
intensity
data,
to transmit data.
securing connectivity to the
So
cloud,
Li-Fi can theoretically
using
transmit
systems such as WebSockets,
at speeds
the
of
Event Hub,
up to
and even in some
100
cases,
gigabits per second.
edge analytics or fog
I'll tell you
computing.
one more thing. The Li-Fi's ability
Edge
to
gateway layer
safely
is
function
also required
in
to
areas
give a common view of
otherwise susceptible
devices
to electromagnetic
to
interference.
the upper layers
Those areas are
to
like
facilitate in
aircraft
easier
cabin,
management.
hospitals, military. So
The final tier
the
includes
safely
the cloud
function is an
application
advantage.
built for IoT,
The technology is being
using the
developed by
microservices
several
architecture,
organizations across
which
the
are
globe.
usually
So
polyglot
what is the technology? I'll
and
give you the technology
inherently
details. So Li-Fi
secure
is a
in
derivative
nature
of
using
optical
HTTPS
wireless communication
or
technology, OWC technology.
It includes various
This
database
uses light
systems
from light emitting
that
diodes
store
such as
sensor
LED
data
as a medium to
such as
deliver
time series databases or
network,
asset stores
mobile,
using
high-speed
backend data
communication
storage
in a
systems.
similar manner
It's
to
called
Wi-Fi.
Cassandra,
The
PostgreSQL.
Li-Fi market was projected to have
The cloud tier
growth
is
rate of 52%
is
from
available in
2013 to
most
2018
cloud-based
and
IoT
to be
system.
worth about
about over $6
It has
per
got
year
some
by
features,
2018.
even
However, the
queuing and
market has
messaging
not
system
developed as much as
that handle
as
communication
such, like
that
Wi-Fi.
transpires in
But
all
Wi-Fi
tiers.
remain as a niche market mainly
Some
for
experts
technology
classified the three tiers into IoT
evaluation.
system
Let's take a visible
as
light
edge,
communication.
platform, and
This
enterprise.
works.
And these are connected by proximity
This
network,
communication, this visible
access
light
network,
communication
and
works
service network,
By switching
respectively.
the current to the
Building on
LEDs
the Internet
off
of
and on
Things,
at a very high
the
speed.
Web of Things
too
is an
quickly to be
architecture for the
noticed by a
application
human.
layer of
Thus,
the
it does
Internet
not
of Things.
present any
Looking at the
flickering.
convergence of data
Although
from IoT
Li-Fi
devices
LEDs
into
would have
web
to be
applications to
on to
create
transmit
innovative
the data,
use cases.
they could be dimmed
In order to
to
program
below
and
human
control
visibility,
the flow of
while
information
still
in the Internet of
emitting enough
Things,
to light to
a
carry the
predicted
data.
architectural direction
This
is
is also a
being
major
called
bottleneck of the technology where
BPM
when it is
everywhere,
based on the visible
BPM
spectrum,
everywhere,
but
which
it is
is a
restricted
blending
to
of
luminous purpose and not
old
ideally adjusted to a
traditional
mobile
process
communication
management
purpose.
with the process
Technologies
mining
that allow roaming
and
between
special
various Wi-Fi
capabilities
cells
to
are
automate
also
the
known as
control of
handover.
large numbers
This
of
may allow
coordinated
to
devices.
seamlessly transition
So we'll
between
see the architecture.
Li-Fis.
See, IoT system architecture
The
in its
light
simplistic
waves
view
cannot penetrate walls,
consists of
which
three
translates to
tiers.
a much shorter
Tier
range.
1 is a device,
Okay, and the
Tier 2
lower
is
hacking potential
the edge
related to Wi-Fi.
gateway, and Tier 3
Direct
is a
line of
cloud.
sight is not necessary for Li-Fi to transmit a
Devices
signal.
include
light
networked
reflected off
things
walls can achieve
such
70
as sensors and
megabits per second.
What I said is a
actuators
100 gigabit per
found in
second.
the IoT
It can
environment.
come down to 70 megabits per second.
Particularly those that use
The
protocols such
Li-Fi
as Modbus,
has an advantage
Bluetooth,
of being
Zigbee,
useful
in
and proprietary
electromagnetic
protocols
sensitive areas
to connect to an edge
such as
gateway.
aircraft cabins, hospitals,
Next one is the edge
and
gateway
nuclear
layer.
power
That
plants
is,
without causing
this consists of
electromagnetic interference.
sensor data aggregation
both
systems
Wi-Fi and
called
Li-Fi
edge
transmit
gateways
data over the
that
electromagnetic
provide
spectrum.
functionality such as
whereas
pre-processing the
the Wi-Fi
data,
utilizes radio
securing
waves,
connectivity to the
uses
cloud,
visible ultraviolet
using
and
systems
infrared
such as WebSockets,
while
the event hub, and even in some cases,
US Federal
edge
Communication
analytics
Commission
or fog
has
computing.
warned of a potential
Edge
spectrum
gateway
crisis
layer
because
is also
Wi-Fi is
required
close to full
to
capacity
give a
and
common
Li-Fi
view
has
of
almost no
devices
limitation on capacity.
to the upper layers
visible
to
light
facilitate in
spectrum is
easier management.
10,000 times larger
The
than
final
the
tier
radio
includes the
frequency.
cloud application built for
Researchers
IoT
have breached data
using the
rates
microservices
of over
architecture,
224
which are usually
gigabits per
polyglot
second, which was much
and
faster than
inherently
typical fast-band
secure
broadband
in nature
2013.
using HTTPS
Li-Fi is
or
expected to
OAuth.
be 10 times cheaper than
It
Wi-Fi.
includes various database
Short
systems
range, low reliability,
that store sensor
and high
data,
installation costs and
such
the
as
potential
time series
downsides.
databases or
Still, it is
asset
good.
stores
Pure Li-Fi
using backend data storage
demonstrated,
systems. That's called
the
Cassandra,
pure Li-Fi
PostgreSQL.
demonstrated
the first commercially available Li-Fi
The
system.
cloud tier is
The
in,
Li-First
is available
the
in most
2014
cloud-based
Mobile World
IoT
Congress in
system.
Barcelona.
BG5
It has
is
got
a
some
Li-Fi
features,
system, BG5,
event queuing and messaging
consisting
system
of an application
that handle
for a mobile
communication
device and
that transpires
simple
in all
consumer
tiers.
product like an
Some
IoT
experts
device
classified
color
the three
sensor,
tiers into IoT
microcontroller and
system
embedded
as
software.
edge, platform, and enterprise.
Light from the mobile
And
device
these are connected by proximity
display
network, access network,
Communicates
and
to the color
service
sensor
network,
on the
respectively.
consumer market or the consumer product,
Building on the Internet of
which
Things,
converts the light into
the
digital
Web of Things is
information.
an
I'll repeat
architecture
again.
for the application layer
And light from
of
the
the Internet
mobile
of
device
Things,
display
looking at the convergence of data
communicates to
from
the
IoT
color
devices
sensor on the
into
consumer
web
product,
applications to
which
create
converts the light
innovative
into a
use
digital
cases.
information. LEDs,
In order to program
light
and
emitting
control
diodes,
the flow of
enable the
information
consumer
in the
product
Internet of
to
Things,
communicate
a
synchronously with
predicted
the mobile
architectural
device.
direction is being called
Let's say the
BPM
applications of Li-Fi.
everywhere, BPM
The
everywhere,
shortwave
which is
radiation
a blending
are
of
used by Li-Fi.
the
old
communications
cannot
traditional
penetrate
process
through walls
management
and doors.
with
This
the process
makes it more
mining
secure
and special
and
capabilities
makes
to
it easier
automate
to
the control of
access to network.
large numbers of
As long as
coordinated
transparent
devices.
materials like windows are covered,
So we'll see the
access to a
architecture.
Li-Fi
See,
channel
IoT
is
system
limited to
architecture in
devices
its
inside the
simplistic view
Let's
consists
take
of
the first application, that
three
is home
tiers.
and building automation.
Tier 1 is a device.
Many experts
Tier 2 is
foresee a movement
the
towards
edge
Li-Fi
gateway,
in
and
homes
Tier 3
because
is a
it
cloud.
has the potential for faster
Devices
speeds and
include
it's
security benefits
networked
with
things
how the technology works.
such as sensors
Because the
and
light sends the data,
the
actuators
network can be contained in a
found in the
single
IoT
physical room
environment.
or a building, reducing
particularly
the possibility of a
those that
remote
use
network
protocols such
attack
as
or hack.
Modbus, Bluetooth,
Though
Zigbee,
this has
More
and proprietary
implications in
protocols
enterprise and other sectors.
to connect to
Home
an edge
usage
gateway.
may be pushed forward.
So
with
next
the
one is the
rise of
edge
automation,
gateway
home
layer. That
automation.
is
that requires
this consists
large
of
volume
sensor
of
data
to be
aggregation
transmitted or
systems
transferred
called edge
through a local
gateways
network.
that provide
The next
functionality
application is
such as
underwater
pre-processing the
application.
data,
Most remotely
securing
operated
connectivity to
underwater
the
vehicles.
cloud,
ROV,
using systems
remote
such as
operated
WebSockets,
underwater vehicle.
the event hub.
So
and
these
even in
vehicles
some
are
cases,
controlled by wired
edge
connections.
analytics or
The
fog
length of their
computing.
cabling places a hard
Edge
limit on
gateway
their
layer
operational range.
is also
And
required
other
to
potential
give a
factors such
common
as the
view of
cable's weight,
devices
fragility,
to the
may be
upper
restricted,
layers
right?
to
So
facilitate
since the
easier
light can
management.
travel through water,
The
Li-Fi
final
based
tier
communications
includes the
could
cloud
offer much greater
application
mobility.
built for IoT
Li-Fi is
using the
utility is limited
microservices
by the
architecture,
distance
which
the
are
light can
usually
penetrate water.
polyglot and
Significant amounts of light do
inherently
not penetrate
secure in
further than
nature using
200
HTTPS
meters.
past
or
1
OAuth.
kilometer. No light can penetrate.
It includes various
Maximum we can
database
go,
systems
200 meters.
that
That's a
store
good thing.
sensor data
Next application is
such
aviation.
as time series databases
Efficient
or
communication
asset
of
stores
data is
using
possible in
backend data storage
airborne
systems. That's called
environment, such as
Cassandra,
commercial
Passenger aircraft
PostgreSQL,
utilizing the Li-Fi.
that kind of thing.
using this
cloud tier
light-based data
is
transmission.
in,
Using
is
this
available
kind of
in
light-based
most
data
cloud-based
transmission.
IoT
It does not
system.
interfere
With equipment on the
It has got
aircraft
some features,
that relies on radio
event
waves
queuing
such
and
as its
messaging
radar.
system that
Next
handle
application is
communication
a hospital.
that transpires in all tiers.
Increasingly,
medical facilities.
Some
are using
experts
remote
classified the
examinations,
three
even
tiers
procedures.
into IoT system
Li-Fi
as
system
edge
could offer a
platform
better
and
system to
enterprise.
transmit low latency,
And these are connected
high
by
volume
proximity
data access,
network, access
high
network, and
high volume
service
data
network respectively.
across the networks.
Building on
Besides
the
providing
Internet
a
of
higher
Things,
speed, light
the
waves
Web of
also
Things is an
have
architecture
reduced
for the
effects on
application
medical
layer
instruments.
of the Internet of
An
Things,
example of this would
looking
be
at the
the
convergence of
possibility
data from
of
IoT
wireless
devices
devices being
into
used
web
in MRIs.
applications to
Similar
create innovative use
radio
cases.
sensitive procedures.
In order to program and
Next one
control
is
the
vehicles.
flow of information in the
Vehicles
Internet
could
of
communicate
Things,
with one another
a predicted
via front and
architectural
back lights to
direction
increase
is
road
being called
Street lights and
BPM,
other traffic sensors
everywhere.
would also
BPM
provide information
everywhere.
about current
which
road
is a
situation.
blending of
Use a light technology.
old
Next one is industrial
traditional
automation.
process management
Anywhere
with
in
the process
industrial area,
mining
data has to be
and
transmitted.
special capabilities to automate the control of
Li-Fi is capable
large
of
numbers of coordinated
replacing
devices.
slip rings,
So we'll see the architecture.
slide
IoT
contacts,
system architecture in its simplistic
and
view
Short cables
consists
such as
of
industrial Ethernet.
three tiers.
So due to the
Tier
real
1
time of
is a
Wi-Fi,
device.
which is often required to
Tier 2
automation
is
processes,
the edge
it
gateway.
is also an
and
alternative
Tier
to
3 is a cloud.
common industrial wireless LAN
Devices
standards.
include
There is
networked
a
things
institution called
such as
Fraunhofer,
sensors and
IPMS. It's a research
actuators
organization in Germany.
found in the IoT environment.
This institution states
particularly
that they have developed
Those
a
that use
component
protocols
which is
such as
very appropriate
Modbus,
for industrial
Bluetooth,
applications
Zigbee,
with the time
and
sensitive
proprietary
data transmission.
protocols to connect
Next
to an
application
edge
is
gateway.
advertising. Street lamps can
Next one is the
be
edge gateway
used
layer. That is
to display advertisements
this
for
consists of
nearby
sensor
businesses
data aggregation
or
systems
attractions in
called
on
edge
cellular
gateways
devices as an individual
that provide
path is free.
functionality such as
So, a
pre-processing the
customer
data,
walking into the
securing
store and
connectivity to
passing
the
through the
cloud,
store's front lights
using systems
can
such
show
as
current sales
WebSockets,
and promotions on the
the
consumer's
event
or
hub,
the customer's
and even
cellular
in some
device.
cases,
straight away.
edge analytics
Kind of
or
advertising.
fog computing. Edge gateway layer is also required
Now,
to give
see
a common
about the
view of
global
devices
positioning system. You might have heard
to
about
the
it, right?
upper layers
Let's
to
just
facilitate
have a
easier
review on that.
management.
Or
The
recollection.
final tier includes the
The
cloud
global
application
positioning system,
built for
GPS.
IoT using
Originally,
the microservices
it is called
architecture,
Navstar
which are usually
GPS.
polyglot
This is
and
a satellite-based
inherently
radio
secure in
navigation
nature
system
using HTTPS
owned by the
or
United States government,
OAuth.
and it is operated
It
by
includes
the
various
United
database
States
systems that store
This is
sensor
one of
data
the global navigation
such as time
satellite
series
systems,
databases or asset
GNSS.
stores using
that provides
backend
the
data storage systems.
geolocation
It's called
and the time
Cassandra,
information to a
PostgreSQL.
GPS receiver anywhere on
The cloud tier
Earth
is
or near the Earth,
in,
where there
is
is
available
an
in most
unobstructed
cloud-based
line of
IoT
sight
system.
to 4 or more GPS
It
satellites.
has got some features.
Obstacles
even
such as
queuing and messaging
mountains and
system
buildings can block
that
the
handle
relatively
communication
weak, GPS
that
signal.
transpires in all tiers.
The GPS does not require
Some
the user
experts
to
classified the
transmit
3
any
tiers
data,
into IoT system as
and
edge
it operates
platform and
independently
enterprise.
of any telephonic
And these
or
are
internet
connected by
reception.
proximity network,
Though these
access
technologies can
network, and
enhance the
service
usefulness
network
of the GPS
respectively.
positioning information.
Building
The
on the
GPS
Internet of
provides
Things,
critical positioning
the Web of
capabilities
Things is an
to
architecture for the
military,
application layer
civil, and the
of the
commercial
Internet of
users around
Things,
the world.
looking at the convergence of
The
data
United
from
States
IoT
government
devices
created the
into
system,
web
and
applications
this government
to
maintains
create
and
innovative
controls it
use cases.
and makes it freely accessible
In
to
order to
anyone with a
program
GPS
and
receiver.
control the flow of information
The GPS
in the
project
Internet
was
of
started by the
Things,
US government
a
Department
predicted
of Defense
architectural direction
in
is being
1973.
called
The
BPM
first prototype
everywhere,
spacecraft
BPM
was
everywhere,
launched in
which is a
1978,
blending of
and the full constellation of
old
24 satellites
traditional process
became operational
management
in 1990.
with the process mining and
Originally
special
limited to
capabilities to
use by the
automate the
United
control
States
of
military,
large numbers of
civilians
coordinated
use was
devices.
allowed only from
So we'll see the
1980s,
architecture. So
following
IoT
the
system
executive order from
architecture
the
in its
President
simplistic
Ronald
view
Reagan
consists
after
of
the Korean airline
3
flight
tiers.
007 incident.
Tier 1 is a device,
Advances
Tier
in
2 is
technology and new
the
demands
edge
on the existing
gateway,
system
and Tier 3 is a
have
cloud.
led the efforts to
Devices
to modernize the
include
GPS
network
and implement
things
the next generation
such as
GPS block
sensors and
3A,
actuators
series of
found in the
satellites and
IoT
next
environment.
generation operational
And
control
particularly
systems.
those that
OCX,
use
we
protocols
call it
such
as
as
OCX.
Modbus, Bluetooth,
Announcements from
Zigbee,
Vice President
and
Al
proprietary
Gore and the
protocols
Clinton
to
administration
connect
in
to an
1998
edge gateway.
initiated these changes,
So
which
next
were
one is the edge
authorized by
gateway
US
layer.
Congress
That
in
is,
2000. During the
this
1990s,
consists of sensor
GPS
data
quality was
aggregation
degraded
systems
by the United
called
States
edge
government
gateways
in a
that
program
provide
called Selective
functionality
Availability. And
such
this
as
was discontinued
pre-processing
in
the
May
data,
2000 by a
securing
law signed
connectivity
by
to the
President
cloud,
Bill Clinton.
using systems such as
The
WebSockets,
GPS service is controlled by
the
United
Event
States
Hub,
government,
and even in some
which can
cases,
selectively
edge
delay
analytics
access to
or
the system,
fog
as
computing.
happened to Indian military in
Edge
1999
gateway layer
during
is
Kargil
also
War,
required
or
to
degrade
give
the
a
service at any
common
time.
view of
So as a
devices
result,
to the
several
upper
countries have
layers
developed
to facilitate
their
an
own
easier
global
management.
system, or they are in the process of
The
setting
final
up
tier
other global
includes the
or
cloud
regional
application
satellite
built
navigation
for
systems.
IoT
You take
using the
Russia,
microservices
Russian Global
architecture,
Navigation
which are
Satellite
usually
System, that is called
polyglot
GLONASS,
and
was developed
inherently
contemporaneously with
secure in
GPS,
nature using HTTPS
but suffered
or
from incomplete
OAuth.
coverage of globe until
It includes various
mid-2000s.
database systems
But GLONASS can be added to
that
GPS
store sensor
devices,
data
making more satellites
such as
available
time
and
series
enabling positions to
databases
be
or
fixed
asset
more
stores
quickly and accurately
using
to
backend data
within 2
storage
meters.
systems. That's called
This is
Cassandra,
about Russia. Not China.
PostgreSQL,
China's
kind
Baidu.
of thing.
Baidu
The cloud
navigation
tier
satellite system began global service in
is
2018,
available in
and it
most
finished its full
cloud-based IoT
deployment in
systems.
2020. There are also the
It
European
has got
Union
some
Galileo
features,
navigation satellite
even
system,
queuing and messaging
India's
system
NavIC.
that handle communication
India's got its
that
own,
transpires
right?
in all tiers.
Japan's quasi
Some
Zenith
experts
satellite
classified the
system
3
is a-
tiers
this is
into
a-
IoT
Japan's one is
system
a
as edge
GPS
platform and
satellite
enterprise.
based augmentation system,
And these are connected by
to enhance
proximity
GPS
network,
accuracy in
access
Asia,
network,
Oceania,
and service network,
with satellite
respectively.
navigation independent of GPS.
Building
scheduled
on
for
the Internet of Things,
2023.
the Web
When
of Things
selective
is an
availability was
architecture for
lifted
the
in
application layer
2000,
of the Internet
the
of
GPS
Things,
had about
looking at the
5 meter
convergence
accuracy,
of data from IoT
about 16
devices
feet.
into web
GPS
applications
receivers that
to
use
create
the
innovative
L5 band
use cases.
can have much higher frequency,
In order to program and
and
control
it has got a
the flow
high
of
accuracy
information
also,
in the Internet of
pinpointing to
Things,
within 30
a
centimeters.
predicted
While
architectural
high-end
direction is
users
being
are able to
called
have accuracy on several of the
BPM
bandwidth
everywhere,
signals to within
BPM
2
everywhere,
centimeters,
which is
and
a
even some
blending
millimeter
of
accuracy for a long-term measurement.
old
As of
traditional
May
process
2021,
management
16
process
GPS
mining
satellites are broadcasting
and
L5
special
signals.
capabilities to
And
automate
the
the
signals
control
are
of
considered
large numbers
pre-operational,
of coordinated
scheduled to
devices.
reach 24 satellites by
So we'll
approximately
see the architecture.
2027.
See, IoT system architecture in its
Now let's see
simplistic
the
view
basic concept. I'll give you the
consists
basic
of
concept of
three
GPS.
tiers.
The GPS
Tier 1 is a
receiver
device.
calculates its
Tier 2
position
is
and
the
time
edge gateway.
based
And
on
tier
data
3 is a
received
cloud.
from multiple GPS satellites.
Devices include
Each satellite carries
network
an
things
accurate record of its
such
position
as
and
sensors
time
and
and transmits the data to the receiver.
actuators found in the
The
IoT
satellites
environment.
Carry very stable atomic
Particularly
clocks that are
those that use
synchronized
protocols
with
such
one
as
another
Modbus,
and with the
Bluetooth,
ground clocks.
Zigbee,
So any
and
drift
proprietary
from time
protocols
maintained
to
on the
connect
ground
to
is
an edge
corrected
gateway.
daily. In this
Next
manner,
one is the edge
the satellite
gateway layer.
locations
That
are
is,
known with great
This consists
precision.
of sensor data
GPS
aggregation
receivers
systems
have clocks
called edge
as
gateways
well, but
that
they are
provide
less stable and
functionality
less
such as
precise.
pre-processing the data,
Since the speed of
securing
radio waves
connectivity
is
to the
constant
cloud,
and
using
independent of
systems such
satellite
as
speed,
WebSockets,
The time delay
the
between
event hub,
when the
and
satellite
even in some
transmits the
cases,
signal and the receiver
edge
receives
analytics
it
or
is
fog
proportional to
computing.
the distance from the satellite to the
Edge
receiver.
gateway layer is
So at
also
a minimum,
required
4
to give
satellites
a
must be in
common
the view
view
of the
of
receiver
devices
for it to
to the
compute
upper
4
layers
unknown
to
quantities,
facilitate
3
an easier
position
management.
coordinates and the deviation of its own
The
clock
final
from
tier
satellite side.
includes
This
the
is
cloud
how the
application
GPS receiver will
built
work.
for IoT using the microservices
Now let
architecture,
us come to the
which are
last
usually polyglot
part of this
and inherently secure
This
in
is
nature
GPS
using
tracking unit.
HTTPS
GPS
or
tracking
OAuth.
unit or geo tracking unit.
It includes
Or
various
simply a
database
tracker
systems
is a navigation
that store
device
sensor
normally
data
on a vehicle
such
or
as time
asset
series
or a person
databases
or animal
or
that
asset
uses a
stores
global positioning
using
system
backend data storage
to
systems.
determine
It's
its
called
movement
Cassandra,
and to determine its
PostgreSQL.
WGS84 UTM geographic
The
position
cloud tier
called geo tracking to
in-
determine its
is
location.
available in most cloud-based
So
IoT
GPS
systems.
tracking devices send special satellite
It
signals
has
that
got
are
some
processed by a
features,
receiver.
event queuing and messaging
Locations
system
are stored in a
that handle
tracking
communication
unit or
that
transmitted
transfers in
to
all
a
tiers.
internet collected
Some
device
experts classified the
using the
three
cellular
tiers into
network,
IoT
maybe
system
GSM
as
or
edge,
GPRS
platform,
or
and enterprise.
CDMA or LTE
And these are
or
connected by
SMS
proximity
or
network,
radio or
access network, and service
satellite
network,
modems
respectively.
embedded in the unit or Wi-Fi network
Building on
worldwide.
the
So
Internet of
locations are
Things,
stored in a
the
tracking
Web
unit
of Things is an
or
architecture
transmitted
for the
to a
application
internet connected
layer
devices.
of the Internet of Things,
So various companies
looking
buy
at the convergence of
position
data from IoT
and
devices
track data
into
for
web
marketing.
applications to
Various
create
companies.
innovative use cases.
Also used for military and
In order
criminal
to program
to
and
shut
control
down and pick
the
up
flow of
repossession
information in the
or
Internet of
thefts
Things,
and
a
find
predicted
truckloads.
architectural direction is
How many
being
different
called
areas.
BPM
Tracks can be
everywhere.
mapped,
BPM everywhere,
displayed
which is
in
a
a real
blending
time
of
with the GPS
old
tracking software
traditional process management
or smartphones
with
with
the
the
process
GPS
mining
capability.
and special capabilities
The
to
GPS
automate
antenna
the
size,
control of large
GPS
numbers
antenna
of
size
coordinated devices.
limits tracker size.
So we'll see the architecture.
Often
So
smaller
IoT
than
system
a
architecture in its simplistic view
$50.
consists of three
$50,
tiers.
right? That's small
Tier
size.
1 is a
Like a
device.
small coin.
Tier 2 is
In
the edge
2020,
gateway. And
tracking
tier
is
3
a
is a
$2
cloud.
billion business.
Devices
$2 billion
include
business.
networked
in
things
2020.
such
Plus,
as sensors
military
and
in the Gulf
actuators
War,
found in the
10%
IoT
is
environment.
or more
And
targets
particularly
are used trackers.
those that use protocols such
Virtually
as
every
Modbus,
cell phone
Bluetooth,
tracks its movements.
Zigbee, and proprietary
And
protocols
For
to
most
connect
cell
to
users,
an edge
agreements
gateway.
upload the track data,
So next one is the edge gateway
creating
layer.
trillions of
This
sellable locations.
this consists
and
of
tracks.
sensor data aggregation
Value varies
systems
from
called
fractions of
edge
$1 million
gateways
to
that
dollars
provide
per point
functionality
and user
such as
association.
pre-processing the
So
data,
please be
securing
careful about
connectivity
your
to the
mobile
cloud,
phone.
using
You are
systems
always
such as
tracked
WebSockets,
with a GPS tracker.
the
Wherever
event
you
hub,
go,
and
you are
even in
tracked.
some cases, edge
see the
analytics or
architecture.
fog computing.
A GPS track
Edge
me
gateway layer
essentially
is also
contains a
required
GPS module
to give a
that
common
receives
view of
the GPS
devices
signal and
to
calculates
the upper
coordinates.
layers to facilitate
data
an easier
loggers,
management.
It contains large memory to
The
store
final
the
tier
coordinates.
includes the cloud
For data
application
pushers,
built
additionally,
for IoT
they contain a
using the
GSM
microservices
or
architecture,
GPRS
which
or
are usually
CDMA or
polyglot
LTE modem
to
and
transmit this information to a central
secure
computer,
in nature using
either via
HTTPS
SMS or GPRS
or
in the
OAuth.
form of IP packets.
It includes various database
Satellite-based
systems
GPS tracking units
that store sensor
will
data,
operate anywhere on the globe
such as time series
using satellite
databases
technology
or
such
asset
as Global
stores
Star
using
or
backend
EDF.
data storage systems.
They
That's
do
called
not require
Cassandra,
a cellular connection.
PostgreSQL, that kind of thing. The cloud tier is
There are three types of GPS
is available
trackers.
in most
Though
cloud-based
most
IoT
GPS
system.
equipped phones can work
It
in
has
any
got
of these
some
modes
features,
depending on the mobile
event
application
queuing
installed.
and messaging system
The first one is called the
that
data
handle
loggers.
communication.
So GPS
transpires
loggers
in all
log the
tiers.
position of the device at regular
Some experts
intervals
classified
in
the
its
three
internal
tiers
memory.
into IoT system
GPS
as
loggers may
edge,
have
platform,
either
and
a memory
enterprise.
card slot
And these
or
are connected
internal
by
flash
proximity
memory card
network,
or a
access
USB
network,
port.
and service network,
Some
respectively.
act as a USB flash drive, which
Building on
allows
the Internet of
downloading
Things,
the track
the
log
Web of
data
Things is
for
an
further
architecture
computer
for the
analysis.
application layer
The
of the
track
Internet of
list
Things,
or a point of interest
looking at the
list
convergence
may
of
be in
data from
GPX,
IoT devices
KML,
into web
NE,
applications
NMEA,
to create
or other
innovative
format.
use cases.
Most digital cameras
In order to
save the
program
time
and control
in a photo,
the flow of information
within a
in the
photo that
Internet
was
of
taken.
Things,
Provided the camera
predicted
clock is
architectural
reasonably
direction
accurate
is
or use
being
GPS
called
as its time source,
BPM
this time can be correlated with the
everywhere,
GPS log
BPM
data
everywhere,
to provide an accurate
which is a
location.
blending of
This can be added to
old
EXIF metadata
traditional
in the
process
picture file.
management with the process mining
EXIF metadata.
and special
Cameras
capabilities
with
to
a GPS
automate the
receiver
control of
built in
large numbers of
can
coordinated
directly
devices.
produce such a geotagged
We'll
photograph.
see the architecture. See, IoT
Cameras
system
with a GPS
architecture in
receiver
its simplistic
will
view
produce geotagged
consists
photograph.
of three
In some
tiers.
private investigation
Tier
cases,
1 is a device.
data loggers are used
Tier
to
2 is
keep a track of
the
target
edge
vehicle.
gateway, and Tier 3
The
is
private
a cloud.
investigator need not follow
Devices
the target
include
too closely and always
network
has a backup
things
source of data.
such as sensors
This
and
is about the data loggers.
actuators
Now, what is data pusher?
found in the IoT
Data pusher is the
environment.
most common
Yeah,
type of
particularly
GPS tracking unit
Those that use protocols
for
such
asset
as
tracking
Modbus,
or personal
Bluetooth,
tracking or vehicle
Zigbee,
tracking system.
and proprietary protocols
Virtually every cell
to
phone
connect
is
to an
in
edge
this
gateway.
mode per user agreement.
So next
Even
one is
if,
the edge
if
gateway
it
layer.
is
That is,
shut off or disabled,
this consists
storing
of
the data
sensor
for
data
further
aggregation systems called edge gateways
also known as GPS
that
beacon.
provide
This kind
functionality
of device
such
push
as pre-processing the data,
the data, that is
securing
called sending the
connectivity
data
to
at
the
regular
cloud,
intervals.
using
What
systems
is
such
that?
as
The position of the
WebSockets,
device will be sent,
the
as well as the other
event hub,
information like
and even in some cases,
speed or altitude
edge
to a
analytics or
determined
fog
server
computing.
that can store and analyze the data
Edge
instantly.
gateway layer is also
A
required
GPS navigation
to give
device
a common view
and
of
a mobile
devices
phone sit
to the
side by
upper
side in the
layers
same box,
to
powered
facilitate
by the
an easier
same battery.
management.
At regular intervals,
The
phone
final
sends
tier
a text
includes the
message
cloud
via
application
SMS or
built
GPRS
for IoT
containing the data
using the
from the GPS
microservices
receiver.
architecture, which
Newer
are usually
GPS integrated
polyglot
smartphones running
and
GPS tracking software
inherently
can
secure
turn
in
the
nature
phone
using
into a data pusher
HTTPS
or a logger device.
OAuth.
As of 2009,
It includes
open source
various
and
database
proprietary
systems
applications are available for a common
store
Java
sensor data,
NE-enabled phones,
such as time
iPhone,
series
Android,
databases
Windows
or
Mobile,
asset stores
and Symbian.
using backend data storage
Most
systems. It's
21st
called
century
Cassandra,
GPS trackers provide data push
PostgreSQL,
technology,
that kind of thing.
enabling
cloud
sophisticated
tier
GPS tracking
is
in business environments,
in-
specifically
is available in
organizations that
most
employ a
cloud-based
mobile
IoT system.
workforce, such as a commercial fleet.
It has got some
Typical
features
GPS tracking
event
systems
queuing
used
and
in commercial
messaging
fleet
system
management have
that handle
two
communication
core parts.
that transpires
One is the
in all
location
tiers.
hardware and another one is a tracking
Some
software.
experts classified the
So
three
this
tiers into
combination
IoT system
is often
as
referred to
edge,
as an
platform, and
automatic
enterprise.
vehicle location system.
And these are connected by
Tracking
proximity
device
network,
is most
access
often
network,
hardwired,
and service
installed
network,
in the vehicle,
respectively.
connected to a CAN bus,
Building on the
ignition
Internet
system
of
switch,
Things,
and battery.
the Web of Things is
It
an
allows
architecture
collection of
for the
extra
application
data,
layer
which is later
of the Internet
transferred
of
to a
Things.
GPS tracking server.
Looking at the convergence
There it
of
is available
data
for
from
viewing.
IoT
In
devices
most cases, via
into
website
web
access
applications
over the internet,
to create
where fleet
innovative
activity
use
can be
cases.
viewed live and
In order to
historically,
program and control
using
the
digital
flow of
maps and
information
reports.
in the Internet of Things,
GPS tracking system
a
used in
predicted
commercial
architectural
fleets are
direction
often
is
configured
being
to
called
transmit location and
BPM.
telemetry input data
everywhere.
at a set
BPM everywhere,
update rate,
which is a blending
or
of
when an event occurs, triggers
old
the unit to transmit the data.
traditional process
Suppose,
management
when the vehicle
with
has
the
got
process mining
doors, when you
and
open a door
special
or close a door,
capabilities to automate the
auxiliary
control
equipment
of
on and off,
large
or
numbers of
geofence
coordinated
border
doors.
crosses, like it will trigger the unit
So
to
we'll see the
transmit the
architecture.
data.
See, IoT system architecture
Live
with
GPS
simplistic
tracking
view
in commercial
consists of
fleets
three
generally
tiers.
refers
Tier
to a
1
system
is a
that
device.
update
Tier 2
regularly
is
at 1 minute
the edge
or 2
gateway,
minute or
and
5 minute
tier
intervals
3 is a cloud.
while the ignition status is on. Some
Devices
tracking
include
systems combine
network
timed
things
updates with the heading change
such as
triggered
sensors
updates.
and
GPS
actuators
tracking solutions such
found
as
in the IoT
Telematics
environment.
2.0. That's
And
an
particularly
IoT-based telematic
those that use
technology
protocols such as
for the
Modbus,
automotive industry
Bluetooth,
are being
Zigbee,
used by
and
mainstream
proprietary
commercial
protocols
auto insurance
to
companies.
connect to an edge gateway.
Next one is the data pullers.
Next one is the edge
GPS
gateway
data
layer.
pullers
That
are
is,
also known as GPS
this consists of sensor
transponders.
data aggregation systems
Unlike data
called
pushers
edge
that send the
gateways
position of the device at
that
regular
provide
intervals,
functionality
that's called push
such as
technology, right?
pre-processing
Data
the
pushers
data,
use push technology.
securing
But these
connectivity to the
devices
cloud,
are always on
using
and
systems
can be
such as
queried
WebSockets,
as
the event
often
hub,
as required.
and
That's
even
called
in some
pull,
cases,
pull technology.
edge
Somebody can ask the
analytics or
question so that
fog
it will answer.
computing.
It has a data,
Edge
but
gateway
somebody should
layer
ask,
is
put a
also
query so that it will
required
give the data.
to
This
give a
technology is
common
not
view of
in widespread
devices
use, but
to the
an
upper
example of this kind
layers
of device is
to
a
facilitate
computer
in
connected
easier
to an
management.
internet and running GPS.
The final tier includes the
GPS
cloud
and
application
that's called
built for
data pullers.
IoT using the
These
microservices
can often
architecture,
be
which
used
are
in
usually
case where the
polyglot
location of the tracker
and
only
inherently
need to be known
secure in
occasionally.
nature using
Sometimes
HTTPS.
placed in a property that may be
OAuth.
stolen or that does
It
not have
includes
a
various
constant
database
source of energy to
systems
send data on a
that
regular
store sensor
basis.
data,
Freight container,
such as time
whenever we
series
ask, it will give the
databases
data.
or asset
The
stores
data pullers are
using
coming
backend
into
data
a more
storage
common
systems.
usage
It's called
in the form of
Cassandra,
devices containing a GPS
PostgreSQL.
receiver and a cell phone, which
The cloud
when
tier
sent a special SMS message,
in-
reply to a message
is available in
with their
most
location.
cloud-based IoT systems.
Covert GPS trackers. So covert GPS trackers
it has got
contain the
some
same electronics
features,
as regular GPS trackers,
event
but
queuing and
are
messaging
constructed in
system
such a way as
that
to
handle
appear to
communication
be everyday object.
that transpires in
One
all
used for
tiers.
covert GPS trackers.
Some
is
experts
for
classified
power
the
tool
three
protection.
tiers into IoT systems.
These devices can be
as edge,
concealed within a
platform,
power
and
tool
enterprise.
boxes and
And
traced
these are
if
connected by
theft occurs.
proximity network, access network, and service network, respectively. Building on the
The
Internet of
applications
Things,
of
the
GPS
Web of Things
trackers
is an
include,
architecture for the application
personal
layer
tracking,
of the Internet of Things,
asset tracking,
looking at the
aircraft
convergence of
tracking,
data from
animal
IoT
tracking. Let's see
devices
that in a little,
into web
one by one.
applications to
Personal
create
tracking.
innovative
So,
use cases.
first one is a race control. In some
In order to
sports,
program and
gliding,
control the flow of
example,
information in
in
the
some
Internet
sports,
of Things,
participants are
a
required to
predicted
carry a tracker.
architectural direction is
In
being
a
called
particular, if I
BPM,
say, this
everywhere,
allows race
BPM
officials to know
everywhere,
if the participants
which is
are
a
cheating
blending of
or taking unexpected shortcut
old
and how far
traditional
apart they
process
are.
management
This
with
use
the
was
process
illustrated in the
mining
movie
and
called
special
Rat Race.
capabilities to automate the control of
Next one is the law
large
enforcement.
numbers of
An
coordinated
arrested
devices.
suspect,
We'll
suspect
see the
on bail
architecture. See, IoT
may
system
have a
architecture
wear,
in simplistic view
to wear a GPS
consists
tracker,
of
usually
three
an
tiers.
ankle monitor
Tier 1
as a
is a
bail
device.
condition. So
Tier
GPS
2
tracking
is
may also be
the
ordered
edge
for
gateway,
persons subject
and
to a
Tier 3 is a
restraining
cloud.
order. Espionage
Devices
or surveillance,
include
a tracker on a
network
person
things
or a vehicle
such as
allows
sensors
movements
and
to be tracked. It's called
actuators
espionage.
found in the
Next one
IoT
is vehicle
environment.
tracking.
And
Some people
particularly
use GPS trackers
those that use
to
protocols such
monitor
as
activity on their own
Modbus,
vehicle,
Bluetooth,
especially in the
Zigbee,
event of the
and
vehicle
proprietary
being used
protocols
by a friend or a
to
family
connect
member.
to an edge gateway.
So personal
next
tracking
one is the
device,
edge
GPS
gateway
personal
layer.
tracking
That is,
device. These are all used in
this
care
consists
of
of sensor
elderly or
data
vulnerable
aggregation systems
people.
called edge
Can be used to
gateways
track small children
that provide
who-
functionality
who may
such as
get into danger.
pre-processing
Right?
the
Some devices
data,
can send text
securing
alerts
connectivity to the
to
cloud,
the caretakers
using systems such as
if the wearer
WebSockets,
moves into an
the
unexpected
event hub,
place.
and even in some
Some
cases,
devices allow users
edge
to call for
analytics
assistance
or fog
and
computing.
optionally allow designated
Edge
caretakers
gateway
to
layer
locate
is also
the user's
required
position,
to give
typically
a
within 5
common
to 10
view of
meters.
devices to
Their
the upper layers
use
to
helps
facilitate in easier
promote
management.
independent living and social inclusion.
The final
used for
tier
the elderly
includes the
people.
cloud application built
Devices
for
often
IoT,
incorporate either
using the
one-way or
microservices
two-way voice
architecture,
communication.
which are usually
Some devices
polyglot
also allow the
and
user to call
inherently
several phone numbers
secure in nature
pre-programmed
using
speed dial
HTTPS
buttons.
or OAuth.
Trials using GPS personal
It
tracking
includes
devices
various
for
database
sufferers
systems
of early stage of
that store
dementia
sensor data,
are underway in
such
several
as time
countries.
series databases or
Text and
asset
voice
stores
communication is
using backend
usually
data storage
provided by a
systems. It's
connection
called
to
Cassandra,
mobile telephony. But the
PostgreSQL.
GPS devices are available that use satellite
The
communication.
cloud tier
Always
is
available even if out of mobile
is available
telephone
in
range.
most cloud-based IoT system.
Some Internet Web 2.0 pioneers
It has got some
created their own
features,
personal web
event
pages
queuing and
that
messaging
show
system
their position constantly
that handle
and in
communication
real time on a
that
map
transpires
within
in
their
all
website.
tiers.
These
Some
usually
experts
use
classified the
data
three
push
tiers into IoT
from a
system
GPS-enabled
as
cell phone
edge
or a
platform and
personal
enterprise,
GPS tracker.
and these are connected by
Sports
proximity
in
network,
the movement of
access
rambler,
network, and
cyclist
service network
can be tracked, right?
respectively.
Statistics such as instantaneous
Building on
and
the
average
Internet of
speed
Things,
and distance
the
traveled
Web
are
of
logged.
Things is an architecture for the
Adventure
application
sports,
layer
GPS
of the
tracking
Internet of
devices
Things.
such
Looking
as
at the
Spot,
convergence of data from
Spot,
IoT
SPOT,
devices
satellite messenger,
into web
are available to
applications
allow the
to create
position of a
innovative
person to
use
be tracked.
cases.
In particular,
In
this
order to
allows
program
rescue
and
personnel
control
to locate
the
a
flow
carrier.
of information in
These
the
devices
Internet of
also
Things,
allow the carrier to
a
send
predicted
messages
architectural
and
direction
emergency
is
alerts
being
even when
called
out of cellular
BPM
telephone range.
everywhere, BPM everywhere,
Monitoring employees.
which is a blending of
GPS handled tracking devices with
old
built-in cell
traditional
phone
process
are used to
management
monitor employees
with
by
the process
various
mining
companies, especially
and
those
special
engaged in field work.
capabilities to automate the control of
Next one is lone
large
workers.
numbers of
It is
coordinated
ideal
devices.
for improving the safety of your
So
employees
we'll see the
working in a
architecture.
distant,
IoT system
isolated work
architecture in its
sites.
simplistic
Maybe
view
maintenance workers,
consists of
forestry,
three
mining,
tiers.
and employees in
Tier
similar
1 is
fields
a
may be
device.
required to work
Tier
remote
2
in
is
remote areas
the edge
without any
gateway,
contact
and
nearby.
tier 3
In
is
such
a cloud.
scenarios, the risk of their well-being
Devices
increases with the
include
use of this particular
networked
device.
things
Next
such
one is
as
asset
sensors
tracking.
and
Solar powered.
actuators
Advantage of some
found
solar
in the
powered
IoT
units
environment.
is that
Particularly
they have much more
those
power
that use
over their
protocols such
lifetime
as
than battery powered
Modbus,
units.
Bluetooth,
This
Zigbee,
gives them the advantage
and
of
proprietary
reporting
protocols
their
to
position
connect
and status
to an edge
much
gateway.
more often
So
than
next one
battery
is the
units,
edge gateway
which
layer.
needs to
That
conserve
is,
energy to extend their life.
This consists of sensor
Some
data
wireless solar
aggregation
powered
systems
units
called
such as
edge
Rail
gateways
Radar can
that
report
provide
more than
functionality
20,000
such as
times per year
pre-processing the
and
data,
work indefinitely
securing
on solar
connectivity to the
power,
cloud,
eliminating the need
using
to change
systems such
batteries.
as WebSockets, the
Animal
event
monitoring,
hub,
GPS
and
wildlife
even in some
tracking.
cases
When
edge
put on
analytics
a wild
or
animal,
fog
maybe
computing.
GPS collar, it allows
Edge
scientists
gateway
to
layer
study the
is
animal's
also
activities
required
and migration
to give
patterns.
a common view of devices
Vaginal implant
to the upper
transmitters
layers
mark the
to
location
facilitate in
where
easier
the pregnant
management.
females give birth.
The final tier includes
Animal
the cloud
tracking
application
collars may
built for
also be put on
IoT
domestic animals to
using the
locate them
microservices
in case
architecture,
they get
which are
lost.
usually polyglot
Next one is the aircraft tracking.
inherently secure in
Aircraft can be
nature
tracked
using
either by
HTTPS
ADS-B,
or OAuth.
primarily airliners and
It
general
includes
aviation
various
aircraft with
database
ADS-B
systems
out-enabled transponder,
that store
or
sensor
by
data
FLARM,
such as time
data
series
packets
databases
picked up
or
by a
asset
network
stores
of ground
using
stations,
backend data
primarily
storage
used
systems.
by
It's called
general
Cassandra,
aviation aircraft or gliders or
PostgreSQL.
UAVs, both of which are data pushers.
The cloud
ADS-B
tier is
to be suppressed by
available
ADS-C.
in
That's
most
called puller.
cloud-based IoT system.
Next one is the last one is the animal tracking.
It has got
GPS
some
animal tracking
features,
is a process
event queuing and messaging
whereby
system
biologists, scientists,
that handle
scientific
communication
researchers
that
or
transpires in all
conservation
tiers.
agencies can remotely
Some experts
observe
classified the three
relatively
tiers into
fine-scale
IoT
movement
system
or
as
migratory
edge,
patterns
platform, and
in a
enterprise.
free-range wild
And these
animal
are connected
using
by
the
proximity
GPS
network,
and optional
access
environmental
network, and
sensors
service
or
network,
automated data
respectively.
retrieval technologies such as Argos,
Building on the
satellite
Internet of
uplink,
Things,
mobile data
the Web
telephony,
of Things is an
or
architecture
GPRS,
for the
and a
application
range of
layer
analytical software
of the Internet
tools.
of Things.
So these
Looking
are
at the
the
convergence
applications
of data from IoT devices
trackers.
into web applications to create innovative use cases.